Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to delete a workspace here in Asana. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in Asana, I need you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Deleting a workspace in Asana is a straightforward process, but remember that the workspace that you use for a specific project or for a client, or maybe for an organization that has now been completed and no longer needed, might need some deletion. Well, to clean up or reorganize your Asana account by removing old or unused workspaces that clutter your view. In my case, I'm going to go to this specific project. Now, I wanted to limit the access, especially to this specific project in a workspace here in Asana, because I realized that this was set up as temporary theme for a specific project in one of my clients. Okay, so all I'm gonna do is very simple. Hover down to the upper right corner, okay, and go to the settings. Now, I need you to hover to the account tab, and there's going to be an option that says remove me from my workspace. Essentially, as of this moment, there is no option to delete a workspace, all right? The only option that you have is to remove yourself from the workspace, because when you click on it, all right, since I'm the currently the billing owner for this workspace, billing owners must remain members. All right. For example, you have the option to remove yourself from the workspace. Make sure that the projects that you are currently working in are deleted. Like if you added a member here, delete them. I'm going to make this an example. This specific project, I'm going to delete this. All right. If you delete this, delete all the essential items here. For example, I'm going to delete this section. Right? I'm going to make sure that no one here remains. All of it, everything that you see. Right? Now, the next is delete this specific project. Once you've done that, it's already been emptied. You see the project has been closed. Now you need to go again to the upper right corner, click on settings, go to account, and of course, remove yourself from the workspace. All right? That's one way, because when you remove yourself from the workspace, essentially, since the members and the task and the subtask sections and the projects has already been deleted. Now, if in case you are having problems removing yourself from a specific workplace, even if you have the option to, click the help with Asana and type in your question to see if you get an answer. If you don't get an answer here, the next option that you can do is simply go to the Asana support, and from there you need to get a hold of one of the customer support staff. If in case you encounter one of them, tell them you're having problems deleting a workspace in Asana or removing yourself from a specific Asana workspace, and they would give you insights and troubleshooting steps on how to potentially fix the issue. But again, before deleting a workspace, make sure to back up any important information and consider if there are any alternatives to deletion that might be more appropriate for your situation. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.